How to enable disable Facebook account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover disable Facebook account. So if you want to enable your disabled Facebook account, now go to your browser. After you open the browser, go to search. After you go to the search like this, now go and search for this website, Wiki. Here is it now, as you can see. Now go and search for this website, wikihow.com/contact-form. I will give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. After you open the website like this, now here it says how to contact Facebook is easy ways to get account help. So scroll all the way to down. Scroll to down. So as you can see now, here it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply because these forms are all linked directly from support page on Facebook. You are more likely to get a reply to filling out these forms than sending email directly. So now if you want to enable your disabled Facebook account or you want to recover disabled Facebook account, here is your option. If your personal account was disabled, so just tap on this link. As you can see now, this one, tap on this link. If you tap on this link now, it will give you a form to fill. After you fill that form, you can wait for Facebook to reply to you using the email address that you provided in the form. So within some hours, like 24 hours or 48 hours, Facebook will reach out to you with the possible method to recover your Facebook disabled account. That's it, guys, on how to recover disabled Facebook account or how to enable disabled Facebook account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you out.